Yo, what's up, my people? This Jay again here, guys. So today, you can see what we did to gold. As I told you, I will explain to you what happened according to the last analysis that we did last week. You remember that I analyzed gold and I told you that gold might go up, and I told you the reasons. I remember I traded gold, I bought gold, but I closed it early because it was a weekend anyway. And I knew that probably gold might start Monday with manipulation, which is what happened. So, in order for me to explain to you what happened, let me flip my phone so it can be easy for everyone to understand what I want to talk about. So, guys, as you can see, this is the supporter that we drew last time, you know. And as I told you that in order for us to buy gold next week, which is this week that we have started, we were supposed to wait for gold to break above you know, to break above previous high, which is what you can see that this candle is doing currently, is breaking this high as we said that last week. Let me just draw a bigger line that can be invisible from everyone, so we just go ahead and use this one. You can see this was our previous high, but for some reason, gold have just managed to go back. I will just show you what happened. Gold have closed this candle and opened this. So from that time, it just started going down, going up, going down. It wasn't changing of direction, as I said. It was just testing a previous zone, which is this support. So remember, before gold goes up, why we confirmed that this might go up. This might go up because it gives us this as a bullish piercing, this area, after previous supporter here. Let me just draw it, then you will just understand this easily. I will just draw this like this. After this supporter, gold have managed to went up, to go up, and then it comes back, and then it comes back to retest previous zone. It even pretended to break it, but it's rejected at the same time, which is it where it created a candle that we call bullish piercing. Is a strong one when it comes to bullish candles. So after going up and create another bullish one, you can see that instead of failing, it gives us another one, which is bullish cross. So after crossing these two strong candles, which is blue one, which is the bullish, and the red one, which is bearish, when it comes back, and it was like the buyers had a strong power, until when it comes back, and then from there, when it goes up, it created also bullish engulfing, which was a good sign for the buyers that the sellers are completely losing powers. And you remember that I told you what was happening is the same thing that is always happening. If you can see here, what happened there is what is gonna happen here also. So I hope I told you that. Probably if you don't remember, just go back into my previous video and check what I explained to you about gold. So now for us to make this understandable, let's just jump on 1 hour time frame. So once we go to 1 hour time frame, I will draw this thing. I will just draw this in order for you to understand that we needed to know that we are going up after gold breaking this area. This is our area of confirmation, 100% that we need to buy, which is what happened. And then if you check where gold started from, was here. So obvious it has to consolidate and create this pattern before it just confirm a downtrend or uptrend. So since it's been failing to go up and break and comes back, you can see that it pretended to break previous candle of lower low, and it went up at the same time. It went to touch for third times above there to that strong resistance, and once it comes down, it failed to reach previous supporter, and the same time it just starts going up, which is a sign of saying that the sellers was losing power. If they could have power, they could have comes back against the previous lower low. So it was a sign of saying that the sellers have more power. So since it's been trying to break up and fading now, for the last time it come and fail to break down, it was a time to go up. I think I told you this. Here, there's here a reason why it was time. If you check this chart where it started from, it started with the bullish cross. After going up, it failed also to come back and break previous lower low. Instead, it gives us another bullish cross. So now from here, when it went up, it failed to break resistance, which was a good sign for the sellers. So they pushed price down, right? After pushing price down, it closed with bullish engulfing. After going up, then coming back, trying to break the previous closing candle, then it just created bullish cross, which was a sign to everyone that these guys are losing power. The power belongs to the buyers. So whoever that could be seeing this opportunity was supposed to do the same thing that I did here. That's why I took this chance and enter exactly to this area where you see that I took entry from. After closing this bullish, there was a candle that was bearish and failed. Immediately when I saw this, then I just jumped. So until now, you can see that what happened is to trade account of 567 to 1.7. So let's say we use a lower time frame, because sometimes you may not understand what is going on. Let's just use 15-minute time frame in order for us to check probably what happened that pushed that to take this entry. Check 5-minute time frame. First, we're just gonna go ahead and use a trend line, downtrend trend line. So when we use this downtrend trend line, you can clearly see that we have closed a downtrend direction. Is gone. Now there's this thing that I'm always telling you. Our key levels to confirm a buy was this level. From where it comes from is where we were supposed to just confirm that gold, since it's managed to break here and goes down then and comes back and break it. After breaking this, it failed completely to come back and break the previous low. It had no power to go there. So more it went up, more it lost power to come back and break the previous candles. More it goes up, it failed. So now here's the thing. After seeing that situation, you were supposed to mark this area, right? You were supposed to mark it so you can understand if the area have been broken, the previous resistance, which was a strong one, a little bit stronger. So now after going so many times failing to break down, instead let me just put the lines so you may understand easily why gold have been failing and why we're supposed to buy it. It's because it failed completely to go and break the previous supporters, so we can confirm something else. If you check this, and also check this here, right? So you will forgive me because I'm not gonna draw it correctly. You don't have that time, but you understand. And then after that, you check what happened here. Then you will understand that nothing else that was supposed to happen that called a downtrend. You can see that it's been failing to come and break previous zone, goes up and fail to break previous zone. So after confirming that, all of this have been happening in that candle that you saw in a bigger time frame, so from there, here's where I took my entry from. I think you can see this, so my guys, it was easy for you and for everyone to spot this, unless if you don't know how to read the chart. So this is what I did that led me to be where I am now. So since I managed to double my account and to triple my account, there's nothing else that I'm waiting for, I just I was busy. I didn't see this movement, but I should have just closed when it was still above there. But then still, there's still more chance to go up, So once you will see that gold breaks here, you need to look more entries. You don't have to waste your time. After breaking this and they test this, then what you need to do immediately is to look for your entry, because as you can see, it's created weak resistance in order for it to come back to retest previous zone, so it can set the previous supporter before it breaks here. So after breaking here, then you are lucky. Guys, don't say that Jay didn't tell us what to do. You are lucky to take entry. You can even take a longer trade because there is still a chance, but you need to apply a proper risk management. So my people, I will just go ahead and close my trade today. As you can see, I used 0.7, which is good proper risk management to the account that I had, and now you can see where we are. So let me say goodbye, my guys. If you're not making money, just don't feel discouraged. I'm always telling you this, guys. You need to feel encouraged and give yourself a hope. Tell yourself that one day things are gonna change and you're gonna make money like everyone else. What you need to do is to learn every day, learn every day, practice every day, and don't give up. The rest will be the stories. Sharp, my guys. Jay loves you all.